And we got, nope, missed some spots over here. I have to go over this again one more time. Hi guys, and welcome back. I think today we're going to keep it kind of short. I think really short. We're going to check the spots underneath the dash we found out last time. Make sure when I hit them with the wire wheel, there's no blowout. Everything's good there. Just clean up. We'll do a lot of painting. Plan on painting the dash and the inside of the tub where the firewall is, and this top piece that goes along the top there that we spent some time last week working on. But other than that, I think it's gonna be a pretty easy day if we don't find rust holes. But let's check that underneath there right quick, and then we'll get to cleaning and painting and be done here shortly if everything goes well. There's just a spot right here that we need to check. If you can tell, looks a little rusty. Then let's clean this off right here. I need to knock that down a little bit better. And just generally clean with some cleaner. Clean this off with some cleaner up through here. Then we'll put some of that Rust Reformer black all over it and paint that little area too. So come over here and we'll re-clean this out and clean it off with the cleaner, and then we'll spray it with that Rust Reformer black. We'll be done with the back side, and hopefully we can get this in here pretty soon. Maybe run a strip of tape down here, knock this down right through here before we do it, and paint that black. I'm probably gonna set you on the toolbox and we'll work on this first, and we'll jump over here and get up underneath there and make sure everything's okay. So let's get to work. Well, we got about as clean as I want to get it. I think I'll be all right. I think we'll start over here first. Paint this half. Paint that half. Paint this channel here. Then I'll come back over here, paint the dash. Probably gonna open the doors so we got some ventilation going. So if you hear kids or something, it's, you know, they're screaming and playing. But let's get all this painted and we'll be done. Well, we got it painted. It looks all right. Should help keep rust, hopefully. That's the dash. We painted this channel. We may have to go over it again. Here, kids playing. And we got nope, missed some spots over here. I have to go over this again one more time. But I think it looks pretty good. I got up in there pretty good. I don't know if that's got a lot of runs over there. Actually got a run that's about to drip. But I think that'll work. Like I said, I may go back over it, hit this side over here a little bit. But I think we're in good shape. I think next time we'll probably hopefully put the dash back on the Bronco. Get it all bolted in. Well, we can cut these supports off. And we might clean this up a little bit more. And make the other side to it. And brace that up. And might continue sanding this way and getting this all cleaned. That way we can paint it with some of this rust preventative, which I kind of need to as it sets because it's starting to flash rust. So we might fix this, grind this down, paint this again, and then get halfway on top here, get all this off, and paint this. And then continue on next time, get the whole top painted. And hopefully by then we can either jump in here, start sanding all this down, getting it painted, and may work on the International a little bit. Need to move the Bronco out, but it's about to rain, so not sure when we'll do that. But when it's not raining, we'll push Bronco out, bring that around, try to take the diesel out, and try to mock that in. But like I said, we've still got a bunch to do on Bronco. Get in here and get all this kind of cleaned up and cleaned off so we can paint it. So we got a lot of cleaning left to do on the front end. I think we're good in the back, but anyways, at least we got the dash done. I know there's no rust in it. Well, I guess that'll do it for me today. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'm at 460 now, so if we get to 500 by the end of March, I'll eat the world's hottest chocolate on camera. There's only 40 more, so might be able to do it. Anyways, we'll continue working on the Bronco. We'll throw some International in soon. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.